How to fix Allo TikTok to access your camera and microphone problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you are facing this problem, simply follow the next steps. So first of all, open up settings on a device. Then scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now tap on the search bar. Now type TikTok. Then tap on TikTok. Now simply tap on force stop. Then go to storage usage and tap on clear cache. Now simply go back and tap on permissions. Now tap on camera. Now select allow and simply go back. Again go to microphone. Again give the permissions and simply go back. Now restart TikTok. I hope this should fix it soon. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.